Look, the brutal hard truth is this. Your sales ramp up isn't going to happen on its own, and if you're sitting around hoping it just magically hits target, you're already losing. You know that desperate feeling, the crushing gap between your crazy high goals and the cold reality where your new sales team barely moves the needle. You feel it, right? The frustration that hits when weeks go by, and those pipeline numbers don't grow fast enough. When your cash burn feels like a noose tightening every damn day. That slow start? It's the silent killer that drains your energy, your hope, your investors' patience. The lie everyone feeds you is that ramping sales fast is some kind of natural progression, that if you just follow the process, the numbers will come. Bullshit. The speed of your ramp up is your choice, and if you don't own that, you're handing your company's fate straight to chaos. Here's what nobody tells you. Speed in sales ramp isn't about hiring fast or pounding pavement harder. It's about how laser-focused your first 100 calls are, and how ruthless you get about qualifying only the deals worth hunting. Stop wasting time. You've got to build a rhythm that forces real conversations, not empty pitches. Start with the smallest possible target that moves the needle. Don't try to conquer the world on day one. Cut everything that isn't mission-critical noise. Obsess over the exact profile of your first customers. Get your reps to live and breathe that profile like it's their only weapon. No margin for learning as you go excuses here. Your ramp-up speed depends on brutal clarity of who you sell to and why. Next, the training doesn't last weeks. It clock ticks in real talk and sharp feedback loops. If your reps don't hit the right call cadence day 3, they're lost. You need daily heated reviews of what's working, what's failing. Drill the best scripts until your reps can't repeat them without it sounding like the gospel. Then throw those scripts out and let them own it by day 7. The faster you get reps to throw the lines away and own each call, the faster your ramp will explode. It pisses people off. It burns people out. Good. Because only the ones who can handle this reality fast will survive. And for the love of everything, use metrics that actually matter. I don't want to hear about vanity KPIs. Check your activity, conversion rate, deal velocity in real time. If you wait for monthly reports, you're dead. Move those needle points day by day, hour by hour. Demand rhythm so tight, it makes the whole team nervous. Nothing kills ramp speed faster than comfortable slackers or hope-driven forecasting. Now, about deals closing, here's the secret no one shares. Your ramp-up isn't about waiting for sales to close slowly over a quarter. You force quick wins to build momentum. That means cutting down the sales cycle by slicing your deals into micro steps where customers say yes early and often. Build momentum through a torrent of small commitments. If your reps glide through a month without quick wins, you're in serious trouble. Fix this by creating a process where reps walk away from every call with a new inch gained, a next step locked in, no exceptions. Momentum in sales is a beast you have to ride hard, or it'll stomp you into the ground. Last, don't treat your sales ramp as a lonely uphill battle. This is where your leadership has to lock in tight and lead with aggressive support. Don't sit in your ivory tower waiting for miracles. Get in the trenches with your team every single day. Hunt bad calls, celebrate tiny wins, course correct instantly, and keep pressure sharp. If your team smells any sign of mercy for slackers or unclear direction, your ramp speed will collapse into a crawl. The brutal fact? If you don't stop treating the ramp up like a slow, patient process and demand it to be a daily war for every call, every deal, every customer, you're just spinning wheels. Fix this now. Laser focus on your ideal customers. Drill your team like hell. Measure what drives outcomes in real time. Force rapid small wins and lead with fierce presence. No excuses, no waiting. Move fast or watch your startup die slow. If you want to hit your sales ramp fast, don't just accept the slow burn. Own the fire. Ignite it every single day with obsession and discipline. Nothing else will do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.